So the screen industries over the past 20 years have been booming, and the University of South Wales has been at the heart of that. What we found at the start of the boom was that lots of the crews were coming from Birmingham, from London, from elsewhere. So working with the industry, and in particular, we've been working with Screen Alliance Wales, we wanted to establish that pipeline of local Indigenous talent, and particularly from the areas, from Butetown, from Grangetown, but also in our heartland of the valleys. We wanted to make sure that those kids who lived there could achieve the dream of working in screen. So core to our work with Screen Alliance Wales was feeding that pipeline of talent. But why was it different with Screen Academy? Well, it was different because of the embedded classrooms. Now that puts our students at the heart of production and at the heart of the film industry.
The relationship with the University of South Wales is absolutely imperative to the work of Screen Alliance Wales. We wouldn't have been able to do it without them. So the idea is here to offer opportunity to all. So you can come in at 7, learn all the many different roles available through the creative industries, from medics, from caterers, from painters, plasterers, electricians. There really is a job for everybody here, and this is what this facility is. We had a vision that we would create a space here that can allow people to work 52 weeks a year who live close by the studio or within commutable distance.
So we put in what we thought was a reasonable target of about 1,500. We've smashed that. We're over 20,000 participants at the moment, and more growing every day and week.